Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. New location behind me. Don't really worry too much about that. I'm recording in a shop right now, and this is the only area I could find that was just a place where people won't bother me, you know what I mean? But today, we're here taking an early look at the Reimagined Royal ones dropping on November 4th, 2023. Before we get started, I just want to say it is pretty hot in here, so if you see your boy crack a sweat, I'm out here making this video for you guys. Starting off with the box, we have a black and blue Nike Air Jordan 1 box. This is the first time I've ever seen it with this blue colorway. I believe retail price is going to be $180, and the colorway reads black, royal blue, and white. Right now, StockX says that these released on the 19th, which is the day that I'm filming this video, but on the sneakers app, it says November 4th. So there might have been an early release somewhere, but I'm not too sure. The current market for this shoe is around $200 to $220. Some sizes are going for $230, and I'm honestly surprised. Like we mentioned in the Satin Bread video, a lot of the shoes that are coming out don't really have too much resale value, or they're going under retail. But for these, it's a little bit early, and they're going for about $220, $230. If I were to guess, I think these are gonna hit for around 200-ish the day of release and after. Anyways, let's go ahead and check this pair out. This one is a size 13, so we got a big size right here. And I'm gonna give you guys my initial thoughts and impressions on the shoe. This is how the shoes will come packaged. They come individually wrapped, which is interesting because I think most Jordan ones don't come like this. This just feels like a bunch of paper just wrapped up. The Air Jordan Reimagined Royal ones. Obviously, the main difference between this Royal one versus the other Royal ones is the material. The material on this shoe is comprised of a nice and buttery suede. We have that royal blue suede on the toe box, Nike swoosh around the collar of the shoe, as well as the heel. From the first impressions, I gotta say the material is pretty nice for this pair. I was expecting more of a rougher suede, but this feels nice and smooth. So in terms of quality, I gotta say that this pair right here isn't too bad. Back when I was doing the review of the Satin Bread ones, I talked about how that shoe would wear over time and how satin wasn't really a good material for the longevity of sneakers. Since this shoe was comprised mainly of suede material, that means that this pair isn't gonna be the best for all types of seasons. In the winter or fall, when it starts raining a little bit, you're probably gonna wanna spray this with water and stain repellent, but I would highly advise not to wear this in the rain, just because suede likes to get nice and hard after it gets wet. Also, cleaning suede isn't the best because a lot of the suede that's dyed loses its color, so keep that in mind if you guys are interested in buying this pair. And if you guys haven't had a pair of Jordan 1s before, I recommend going true to size. Unfortunately, I won't be able to throw this pair on feet because they are selling this pair as brand new. So this is just a quick look and overview on this sneaker. But I wanted to use this as an opportunity to ask you guys what you think about the sneaker market right now, how you're feeling about current releases. I think I'm gonna pass on this shoe. It's nothing crazy. It is an OG colorway, but I just don't really like how they did the suede on them. And I don't think I can see myself wearing these. Maybe if they did it in the bread colorway, it would win me over a little bit more, but these are just okay. It kind of reminds me of those J-Pack dunks that came out a while back, the high tops. But I don't know, man. These days, dropping $200 for a sneaker that's okay doesn't really seem like the move. So with all that being said, are these a cop or drop for you guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know if you guys are looking for any other sneakers. At the moment, I can't think of anything that's coming out that I really need. But if you guys have something, drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys are going for these. I think we're just gonna keep this video nice and simple. I might go around the shop and ask the homies if they think this is a cop or drop. Again, for me, this one is an easy pass. But let's go and see what the homies have to say. What's up, bro?
How's it going?
I was gonna ask you on your opinion on these, cop or drop, and why?
Me personally, I don't think I'm gonna get them, just because I have the older ones, and I don't think this is gonna last very age very well, I should say, or wear very well.
That's what I was saying too.
They're super dope. I'll just never put them on feet, so I'd probably drop.
Like, why spend money on a shoe that you're not gonna rock and it's just not gonna look good? What do you think, David?
I don't want to be on camera. I already told you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wait, are you on the thing?
I'm not recording, right?
Wait, hold on.
Okay, just set it up, but don't press record. They're pretty cool. No, I'm just kidding. The colorway is cool, but I'm not really a fan of the all over suede, I guess. Still a cool looking shoe. I'm not gonna hate on it, but personally I wouldn't wear. But if I see someone wearing them at the mall, I'm gonna be like, yo, nice shoes. Would I spend what they're worth? Definitely not.
If it was a bread colorway, do you think it'd be better, or is it just the materials?
I feel like I feel like wait, don't they have one of these in a bread colorway?
I don't think so.
No, they don't.
I think it just reminds me of the J-Pack, the highs that came out, the
Yeah.
SBs.
Yeah. I feel like a bread colorway would be a lot more rockable, but I probably still wouldn't. I'm just gonna stick with the OG leather ones.
Yeah, leather's
It's
always
cool, though.
better. Hard pass from David too.
Now, if someone wanted to send me these for free,
Hibbit.
I would wear them, but I wouldn't pay. Don't put that in there.
I wasn't recording.
Okay, good.
Let's see what a couple other people think of the Reimagined Royal ones. Are these a copper drop and why?
Personally, these are drop for me. I think this new book Suede or whatever this is ain't it, bro. I'm a fan of the all leather one, so this is a drop for me.
All right, Lori, are these a cop or drop and why?
Cop.
You would cop these?
Yes.
Okay.
A little different, you know?
All right, a little different is good.
Copper drop. Drop? Crazy.
Kayla, copper drop, yes or no?
Drop.
Drop. All right, you guys heard it here first. Majority drops the shoe. Rip.